Stretching beyond Earth, why astronauts grow taller in space. Space exploration has revealed countless mysteries about the universe, but one of the most surprising discoveries is what happens to the human body when it leaves Earth. Among the most fascinating changes is that astronauts actually grow taller in space. This is not science fiction, it's a proven effect of microgravity on the human skeleton and spine. The science behind growing taller on Earth: gravity constantly pulls us downward, compressing our spines. Our vertebrae are held together by discs filled with fluid, which act as cushions. Under the force of gravity, these discs remain compressed, keeping our height relatively stable. But in space, where astronauts experience microgravity, that compression disappears. Without Earth's constant downward pull, the spinal discs expand, increasing the length of the spine. As a result, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches, 5 centimeters, taller during their time in orbit. This effect is temporary, however. Once astronauts return to Earth, gravity takes over again, the spine compresses back to its normal state, and they shrink to their original height. Surprising effects on the body. While the idea of becoming taller sounds fun, it actually creates new challenges. The sudden increase in height can cause discomfort, back pain, and even difficulty fitting into spacesuits or spacecraft seats that were carefully measured for their Earth-based height. Scientists have to account for this when designing equipment for long missions. In addition, spaceflight affects many other parts of the body. Muscles weaken without regular use, since astronauts don't walk or lift weight as they do on Earth. Bones lose density, a process similar to osteoporosis, because they are not under constant pressure. Fluids shift upward toward the head, which can cause puffy faces and vision problems. These changes help researchers understand how deeply gravity influences every aspect of our lives. Implications for future missions. Studying these effects is not just about keeping astronauts comfortable, it's crucial for the future of space travel. With plans for long journeys to Mars and beyond, scientists need to know how the human body adapts to life without gravity for months or even years. If astronauts grow taller during these missions, space agencies must design adjustable suits, seats, and sleeping quarters to ensure safety and comfort. More importantly, understanding how the spine changes will help prevent long-term injuries. Fun twist: taller on Mars. Mars has only about 38% of Earth's gravity. That means astronauts may not grow as tall as they do in space, but their bodies would still experience less compression than on Earth. Scientists are curious to see whether long-term settlers on Mars might become slightly taller than Earthlings on average. Conclusion. The fact that astronauts grow taller in space may seem like a quirky fun fact, but it's a powerful reminder of how our bodies are shaped by the invisible force of gravity. Every bone, muscle, and organ has evolved under Earth's pull, and when that pull disappears, the human body transforms in ways both surprising and challenging. Space exploration isn't just about rockets and planets, it's also about discovering how humans themselves adapt to a universe that is far different from the home we know.